She is such a good dog. She will literally just sit there all day. Hey guys, so I've been doing quite a few different videos, but I've really not uploaded anything. But you know what? My first Patreon supporter is working on an intro video. I don't know if I'm going to use it yet or not in this one. I don't know if he's done with it. I got to reach out to him. I'm sitting here waiting to pick up a TV. I got some TV stuff coming up, some TV work. Gotta still finish up some of my eBay stuff, and just picked up this TV. It's a little noisy out here, but just picked up this workbench Gladiator, 6 foot. So we're gonna take a look at that workbench. I don't know if this is gonna be in that video or not. I'm a little behind on videos. I know, sorry y'all, I haven't been uploading like I should. But I got some new content that's coming. I got quite a bit of video that I just need to try to edit through. Probably just do like a robot chicken type deal. You know, where it's just like clips that doesn't really flow or make a whole lot of sense, but just different clips. I don't know yet. I'm still trying to work on some of that. But yeah, this TV's going to be here in a minute. It's going to be in the back seat. And so as you can see, there's a TV back here now. It's a Sony. No, screen is cracked. More videos of this one to come. Trust me. Alright guys, so as you can see, my truck's right there and my student is up in there. Just got over to the terminal. I literally recorded this video on the 24th. I'm probably going to be uploading it today, later on this afternoon, when I get the editing done. And my girlfriend packed me a nice lunch today. Wow. Sweet. So anyway, there's really nothing else I want to add in this video at this time. But I do want to say thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. If there's any particular content you want to see, just let me know. I know somebody was asking me recently about logs and hours of service, so I'm going to be doing a video on that one. I just haven't figured out how I want to do it yet, so stay tuned for that. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.